how to check BIOS version using the command prompt in Windows. So if you want to check your BIOS version using the command prompt in your Windows, then what you can do is first you need to press Windows and R keys together and then enter CMD and then hit the OK and you will have the command prompt. But you can also simply search for CMD right here and go with Run as Administrator and click on Yes. Now you need to enter a command which is, so the command goes like systeminfo space align and then space find space inverted commas BIOS version and then hit the enter, and it might take some time and you will have the BIOS version. But if you don't get the BIOS version, then there is also a next command which is wmic space BIOS get smbios version and then hit the enter and you will have the BIOS version. So that's how you can check your BIOS version using the command prompt in your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.